Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Pixel 10 Pro slow charging problem. So first, we're gonna go over and inspect our USB-C port. So we wanna make sure that it's clean, of course, but here we have it, and when I look into the light, it does not seem that bad. I feel like it is really clean. And if your port is dirty, you can use a soft brush or an air compressor in order to clean it. So you got two options. And once you clean it, what you guys want to do is swap your cable and a charger. So there are chargers that will charge your phone with the normal charging notification, or there will be chargers that will charge it with the fast charging. So let me plug in my own charger, which is not exactly original for the phone, but still, whenever I plug it in, you guys will notice from charging it goes to fast charging. That means our phone is charging with the full speed. So now after we test everything out, we know that it works. All you can do as a last resort is update your software. So just unlock the phone. Now once you unlock it, you need to head over into settings, and in the settings you need to go to system. Now in the system, go to software updates and go to system update. Here you want to make sure that you click download and install if you're not on the latest version, and that's basically it for the video. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.